Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful granny chic vintage home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Granny chic is comforting, soulful and deeply nostalgic. It feels like a warm hug from the past, a palace where every item holds a memory, every room tells a story. It is not just about looks, but about sentiment, legacy, and cozy romance. Tips to achieve the look: mix new and old. Pair a sleek lamp with a window styling. Use thrifted treasures to add authenticity. Don't worry about perfection. Embrace personality and whimsy. Include plants or dried flowers in old vases or teapots. Granny chic, also lovingly called Grandma Millennial style. It celebrates coziness over sleekness, sentiment over status, and clutter with character, a state of crowded perfection. Think of it as your grandmother's house, but with tastefully updated flair. It is bold in its nostalgia, unafraid of ruffles, florals, dahlias, and china sets, but it balances this with a fresh, youthful perspective. Core elements and details: eclectic layering, not messy vibes here. Patterns are layered, floral with stripes, checks with lace, all in soft palettes. Items don't have to go together, but must feel crowded and meaningful. Use heirloom-style furniture instead of slick lines. Think rounded corners, curved wood, and skirted edged. Even a well-owned rocking chair or velvet armchair becomes a statement. Handmade and tactile details: use crochet blankets, embroidered napkins, tatting, and needlepoint art. This softens the room and adds authentic old-world warmth. Feminine touches like ruffles, tassels, bows, floral prints, and dainty teacups. It is charmingly feminine without being too precious. Connected, not bought. Granny chic embraces imperfection, cheap teacups, ordered books, faded fabric. It all tells a story. Shelves are often filled with knickknacks collected over years, not styles in a day. Room by room ideas: Granny chic kitchen. Use open shelving with vintage china and copper pans. Also use gingham or floral curtains. Use lace trimmed tea towels and antique mixing bowls. A tea station with stacked saucers and sugar cubes. Granny chic bedroom. Use ruffled bedding, patchwork quilts, and embroidered pillowcases. Also use mismatched nightstands and a lace darling under the lamp. Granny chic living room: skirted floral sofas or a tufted velvet armchair. Use lots of cushions, inferior prints. Needlepoint or landscape paintings: use a cabinet filled with porcelain figurines and family heirlooms. Granny chic bathroom: use floral wallpaper or pastel tiles, embroidered towels and glass tray for soaps. Also use vintage perfume bottles or mystery jars. Emotional essence: Granny chic is a gentle rebellion. It says, I don't want a cold modern showroom. I want a home that feels loved, lived in, and a little magical. It is our comfort meets memory, where you sip tea in a floral teacup while reading a classic novel under a crocheted blanket. Let's dive even deeper into the heart and soul of Chic Vintage home decor, covering its symbolism, emotional atmosphere, seasonal expression, and how to live within intentionally, not just decorate with it. Chic, a philosophy, not just a style. Chic is more than floral curtains and china teacups. It is a mindful lifestyle rooted in comfort over change, memory over minimalism, handcrafted beauty over factory polish, soulful expression over showroom perfection. It is about surrounding yourself with things that tell your story, or your grandmother's, or her grandmother's, and keeping those emotional traits alive in a cozy, artful space. Emotional atmosphere of Chic, the mood this style creates a soft, calm, and safe. It whispers, slow down, take tea, read a book, write a letter, light a candle, feel at home. It creates an environment that feels gentle, pastel colors, soft fabrics, flowing drapery. Nostalgic, old books, handwritten recipes, and retro clocks. Romantic, floral, lace, vintage lighting, and classical art. Familiar, as if you have stepped into a loving grandmother's hug. Seasonal expression, Chic throughout the year. One of the lovely aspects of Chic is that it changes with the season, like your grandmother might have done. Spring floral cushions, pastel linens, winter sister taker, a soft green and blush tones, tea parties in the sunroom. Summer, use gingham tablecloth, lemonade in vintage glasses, lightweight lace curtains, dried lavender bundles. Autumn, use richer florals like rose and marigold, heavier quartz, embroidered pumpkins, candlelight, crochet shawls. Winter, heirloom patchwork quilts, cinnamon scented potpourri, cozy reading nooks, antique ornaments, tea by the fireplace. Living the Chic life, rituals and rhythms. Chic is not just decor, it invites you to live a slower, more soulful life. Collect teacup from thrift stores and use them daily. Display and read vintage books or family journals. Learn embroidery or crochet, baked from handwritten recipes and keep them in a recipe tin. Grow herbs or flowers on a sunny windowsill. Write notes on floral stationery instead of text sometimes. Restore or repaint old furniture instead of throwing it away. Chic DIY and personal touches ideas. Want to make your space truly yours? Try this. Embroidered pillow covers. Use floral thread work or lace trim to update old cushion covers. Shadow box of heirlooms. Frame to your grandma's brooch, lace, handkerchiefs, or a teeny teacup. Pressed flower wall art. Dry flowers from your garden and display them in vintage frames. Vintage books stack Decor. Tie old books with ribbon and top with a candle or dried rose. Lace basket organizers. Line old baskets with embroidered napkins or charming stories. Granny Chic plus clutter. How to keep it beautiful, not busy. Granny Chic celebrates cozy clutter, but it can become overwhelming if you are not intentional. Here is how to balance charm with clarity. Group small decor indignities on trays or shelves. Limit color palette so mixed patterns don't clash. Rotate decor seasonally to avoid visual overload. Use open shelving or glass front cabinets to showcase, not hide. Priorities meaning keep hot tells a story, not just hot looks old. The soul of Granny Chic in a world casting first change, Granny Chic quietly reminds us of the power of homey ritual, the richness of memory and ancestry. The beauty of handcrafted love, the comfort of living slowly and sentimentally. It is not just about what you display, it is about why it matters to you. The deeper meaning of Granny Chic. Granny Chic is not just nostalgia, it is a quiet form of resistance to modern design trends that often feel impersonal, minimalist, and fast moving. Instead, Granny Chic invites slowness, softness, and personal storytelling into the home. It is a space where memories are scarred, objects have stories, femininity is celebrated, tradition and emotion matter. It says, my home does not have to be trendy, it has to feel like me. Cultural and emotional roots. Granny Chic is deeply inspired by English country houses, mid-century grandmothers' parlors, craft traditions like embroidery, quilting, and crochet. Poster homemaking culture, where women made beautiful homes from modest means. It reflects a generational memory, a way of preserving the comfort, dignity, and resourcefulness of past women, especially grandmothers, whose homes often served as refuge of calm, creativity, and care. Core emotion in Granny Chic style: comfort, cushion, chairs, cozy throws, and warm lighting. Love, handmade items, photos, heirlooms, tea rituals, whimsy. Use floral patterns, teacup stocks, and ruffled lampshades. Elegance, vintage silverware, embroidered napkins, and velvet furniture. Sentimentality, objects with memories, even if chipped or faded. Feminine strength, strong crafted traditions, bold floral mixing, retiring spaces. This style increases emotional presence. Every corner says something beautiful happened here, and I have kept a page of it. Living with Granny Chic in a modern world. This style is not about creating a museum, it is about blending heritage with heart. Tips for everyday life. Use your vintage china for breakfast even if you are alone. Light a candle in an old brass holder while reading a novel. Place flowers in a cheap teapot instead of a vase. Display grandma's aprons on a hook, not tucked away. Surround yourself with hot matters, not hoards in style. Granitic homes smell like tea and old books, sound like bird songs and needlepoint noodles tapping, and feels like a gentle exhale after a long day. The soul of Granitic is about living slowly, decorating sentimentality, valuing tradition and tenderness, creating a space where past, present, and personality meet. It welcomes imperfection, celebrates emotional richness, and honors the women and ways of life who came before us. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.